For this video, we are going to compare ClickUp and Airtable, two popular tools for project management and collaboration. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one is better for your needs. So now let's dive in. First, let's go over of what each tool is. So first, ClickUp is an all-in-one project management platform that combines task management, goal tracking, and also time tracking and more. So Airtable, on the other hand, is more of like a powerful spreadsheet. So as you can see, I have here a sample of what Airtable will look like. So again, it's like a powerful spreadsheet. So it helps you organize and manage tasks, project, or databases in a flexible grid or calendar format. So now I am going with the key differences between ClickUp and Airtable, broken down by categories that matter the most. First is its task management. So for ClickUp, this offers multiple views. So you have here list, you have board, you even have chat and table. So this is powerful or useful for organizing your tasks, and it also provides features like subtask and dependencies, so you can access those by clicking into a specific task that you want to add a subtask for. So I have here a topic, a research topic as a task. So once I scroll down, I'll be able to see or locate this feature right here that says subtask. So hit new subtask and name it however you want. You can add assignees to it. You can add dependencies for the main tasks and so on. So now for the Airtable, this uses again a grid layout by default, which is similar to Excel or Google Spreadsheet, whichever tool you are using. So it says, or it's shows right here different columns for your project. So I have here a sample project. So I have contacts, orders or services, name of the client, and also I have the price and cost for my sample projects or sample services. So as you can see, this tool is more suitable for tasks involving data collection and database management. Now for the customization. ClickUp is highly customizable with options for different tasks, views, custom fields, and even templates. Now, on the process of creating your certain project, so I have mine. Once you want, or if you want to create a new one, then you'll have an option to use a template depending on the project or depending on the applicable template you can use. So you have that option here in ClickUp. So this is better for teams with complex workplace, so or workflows rather. So if you have different teammates here in your ClickUp, then you can assign those tasks to your teammates, and then you'll have access to different informations all throughout your project. So for example, I have here video creation, 3 creation, or sample task rather. So then I'll be able to locate all of the related information that I have created for this simple task, or if I have set this as a priority or the due date of it, and also the status of it, and also the assignee, I can just simply access that in here with a simple click. So now for the Airtable. Airtable is less flexible in tasks management but excels in database customization. So this is ideal for teams managing structured data like inventory or CRM systems. So I have here a sample of those. So I have here contacts and services. So this is a sample data that I have created prior to this tutorial. So now you can easily input your market. So for example, I have here marketing as or as the service that I am offering to my client. So I have listed down here. I have marketing, data analyst, bookkeeping, and also I have listed the client for each of those services. I have the cost and the price. Now let us go to this one. So for this one, I have the cost or order total and the cost total computed, and also the total profit that I have for each of those orders or each of those services. So you can do this using Airtable. So you can use the formula. Once you click onto it, edit the field, and then go for the find a type field, you'll have various options. So you can go for currency, percentage, roll up count, lookup, and so on. So these features are highly helpful if again you are dealing with databases, you are computing your profit for all of your orders and also managing inventory. So you just need to explore it what you have here in Airtable. Now for the automation of both tools, for ClickUp, it has built-in automation for tasks, assignments, reminders, and workflows. So you can access the automations by going onto the upper right corner of your screen, and then you'll have all of these automations that you can use for your project. And now for the Airtable, you also have your automations. This is located on the upper left part, just next to the data option. So you have here, you can send an email, send a Slack message, update a record, and so on. So that is also highly helpful when you are managing simple tasks or different tasks for your team. Now let's talk about pricing. So for ClickUp, this already pricing of each plan. So it has a free plan with unlimited tasks and also users. So it says right here, unlimited tasks and unlimited free plan members. But for the starting paid plans, you have $7. So for the $7, this is $7 per task per user per month. So, or not per task. $7 per user per month. This unlocks more advanced features like goal tracking and advanced reporting. Now for the Airtable, it also has a free plan with limited features and storage, and the paid plan starts at $20. So this is you need to pay $20 for the starting paid plan. So this is $20 per user per month, focusing on unblocking bigger storage and more advanced databases. Now, who should use ClickUp and who should use with, or who should go with Airtable? So use ClickUp if you need a complete project management tool with powerful task management and automation features, and you have a team that handles complex workflows or multiple projects. Now use Airtable if your work or your team works with large database or data sets like tracking sales or managing inventory, and you prefer a spreadsheet style interface and a strong database capabilities. So to wrap things up, ClickUp is better if you're focused on task management and need a all-in-one platform, and Airtable is ideal if your work revolves around organizing data and databases. So both are great tools, but they serve different purposes. So hope this comparison helped clarify which tool is the right for you. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.